What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a new design in Canva. There's two ways how to actually go about it. And once you're in Canva, you can either click on home on the left hand side and you'd be taken to a page like this where below you can see some of the different projects that you're currently working on, and you'll also notice some options here or some button here that you can click on to start basically different projects that you want. So if I wanted to start a presentation, I could do that. If I wanted to create a video, I could do that as well, documents and so forth. And you also have the custom size here where you can just basically customize the size of the canvas that you want, and you have upload and so forth. Now, if you don't go around this road, you can also search for whatever you want. So I could want to do a business card. So I could type in business card. And once I type in business card, it's going to search, it's going to look for those designs that I can basically use. And if I click on show more, it's going to show me a lot more. Now, one thing you want to ensure is that when you're searching, you're not only on your designs, because if you have existing designs, you will only see them when you scroll down. If you want to see templates that they have, ensure you switch to templates tab. And so whatever you type, you will be able to see. So if I type in business card and I'm on template, it's going to give me a whole different templates that I'm able to see. Right. And if I don't type anything, for example, and just switch to templates, it will be basically give me all different things that I could possible design. As you can see right here, it give me options. I can explore, I can see all different things I could possible design with Canva. And then I can click on them. For example, I want to do Instagram posts. I can click on it. And of course, it's going to give me different designs that I can basically start with, or templates. Another way you can do that is by, instead of clicking on the home section and then start a search, is to click on create. By going through this method, you can just easily choose, for example, one of those custom size, and you can basically go towards the right and you can see what's there. If you scroll down on the left side as well, you have different options, and you also have an option to do the custom size. And if you choose more, it's going to give you like different sizes that you can actually choose from. And that's some of those pre-size that are already there that you could actually choose from. And again, if you want to see templates, you basically choose whatever you want, and you'll be able to see templates once you choose them. So here from the left side, I can choose it, and I'll be able to see template. I can choose from templates that is actually there. Now, what I'm going to do for the purpose here of this video, I'm going to just choose, for example, this option here that says video, and I'm going to click on it, and you will see that it opens up where I can now create a video in Canva. And that's it, guys. So if you're looking for how to get started on a project, this is how you can do it. I hope you found this useful. And if you do, let me know in the comments below. And if you do, give this video a like, and feel free to ask within the comments if you have any further question. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you, guys, and looking forward to see you in the next video.